Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So these are some reusable straws, and I'm going to show you how to put it together because if you don't install this correctly, it's going to be a little tricky. So they actually showed me how to do it. It also comes with instructions right here on how to do it. Start off by taking this out of the bag. You can see it has this little silicone thing. So you have these metal pieces, which are the little, these are like the main things, and then these are the straws. So you're going to start off with this one, and you're going to match it up to this one. So you're going to place it in there like so. And then you're going to go with this one to that one. So you're just going to keep going to this, and you're going to match it up to that side. Like so. Then this one's going to go right there. And then this one, you can kind of see, is going to go like that. Just making sure everything's in really good. And that is what it should look like right there. So super cool. Now, this is pretty much the straw holder, which this is awesome because after you're done cleaning the straws and everything, you just put them back on here and then they're easy to grab and go. And it does come with 2 straw cleaners. So then you're just going to place these on however you would like to place them. How cute and fun is that? So whenever you want a straw, you're just going to grab it and then go. And then when you're done, wash it, you can put it back. So definitely a cute way to display your straws. And then it comes with this, and you just put it in your kitchen, in your cabinet, in your pantry, just wherever you want to stick it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.